Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make an Instagram grid using Canva. First, open Canva and select an Instagram post template. Decide on your grid layout, such as a 3x3 design, which means 9 individual posts. You'll need to calculate the dimensions for each grid piece to ensure a seamless final image. This initial setup is crucial for a professional-looking result. Now, upload the large image you want to split into your Canva workspace. Carefully align your image using Canva's grid lines or by adding custom guides to mark your divisions. This helps ensure everything lines up perfectly. Then, add any text, logos, or other graphic elements you want to appear within each individual grid section, keeping the overall flow in mind. Once your design is complete, duplicate your main Canva page for each grid segment you've created. For example, a 3x3 grid needs 9 separate pages. On each duplicated page, crop the design precisely to one of your grid sections. This step is vital for creating distinct, uploadable images. Finally, export each cropped section as a high-quality image file, ready for Instagram. With all your individual grid pieces exported, it's time to upload them to Instagram. The trick is to upload them in reverse order, starting from the bottom right image and moving left, then up row by row. This ensures your grid forms correctly on your profile. After uploading, check your Instagram profile to see your stunning, cohesive grid come to life. It's a great way to showcase your content.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.